need the following ingredients: 1 cup or 250 grams of butter at room temperature, 3 cups or 375 grams of sifted icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of milk, and if you want to color it, then any gel food coloring. Now first, we're going to beat the butter for exactly 5 minutes. So you need to put a timer on your watch because it has to be beaten really well for 5 minutes. And you will see how the butter changes its consistency. It will change from this pale yellow color to a whitish color, and it will also double in size. So this is very important and key to the recipe, that you beat the butter with an electric whisk like this for 5 minutes. Now once that is done, we're going to add the vanilla essence or the extract to the butter. Mix it in well. And now we're going to slowly add the sugar a little at a time and just folding it in well till we get a very smooth consistency. Now we're just going to add a little milk at a time because we want to get the right consistency. It shouldn't be too runny or too thick. It should be just right enough so that it'll be easy for you to do the icing and let it come out of the icing cone easily. And now I'm just mixing in some color. I made these lovely blueberry muffins. The recipe will come in a day or two on my channel, so that's why I gave it this color. And then just fill it up into your icing bag and you're all ready to do your icing. It's as simple as that. And only one tip I'd like to give you here is, when you're not using the icing, please refrigerate it. You don't need to put it in a freezer, just refrigerate it so that it remains nice and chill and becomes very easy to do your icing. Don't keep it out in a hot place or at room temperature. So I hope you like this short and sweet icing recipe. If you want to see more icing recipes of any particular kind, please leave your comments in the comment box below. I will be really happy to show you the recipe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also hit the bell so you get messages whenever I put up a new recipe. Visit my channel. I have loads and loads of recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my recipes. I will catch you in my next video. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.
Oh.